This year, 33 victims have been identified from the Srebrenica genocide. And behind me right now, a collective funeral prayer for 33 of them are taking place. The youngest of them is a 16-year-old boy, and the oldest, an 82-year-old woman. Now, we've been speaking to people here, and they've come from all around the world. And they're telling us they've come here to share the pain with the victims, with their families, and to pay tribute to the victims of that genocide. Of course, for a lot of the Bosniak people, for a lot of the families, justice is still yet to be served. And they're telling us a lot of people in Bosnia and Herzegovina in particular, the Bosnian Serbs still don't accept a genocide took place, including the Bosnian Serb leader of the presidency, who is noticeably absent here today, and the Serbian president. And they're sharing their pain with all of these people, including from Europe that we spoke to and from the Middle East. And together now we're waiting for the 33 victims to be buried.